Make a great choice today with the 2019 Nissan Leaf. The Nissan Leaf, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions plus zero gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, aluminum wheels, premium sound system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.